Hello everyone.
Here we are at Island Park, and we are going to give some flowers to women and men who want them, and we're just going to spread some love and let them know how beautiful they are.
That's right. Sometimes just something as simple as a flower can bring joy to people's life. Sometimes people want prayer and sometimes they don't, but it's a little effort sometimes goes a long way.
So stay tuned and we'll let you know how it goes. Hey, so it is a little bit late. We've been at Island Park for a couple of hours now, but we had such a beautiful time and had some opportunities just to share with people how beautiful they are. Had some time to pray with people, and it was just amazing.
That's right. We also want to encourage you whenever you have an opportunity just to go be a smile for someone and encourage other people. It could be a flower, it could be a bottle of water, it could just be making that phone call to someone that you know needs just to hear your voice, or just to say, hey, can I pray for you? And those little things make a big difference, and so that's what we've found, and we found some really good things tonight. So thanks again for your prayers as we continue to minister as the Lord leads us, and may God bless you tonight. Thank you so much.
Good night. Love ya.
Good night. Bye-bye.